Okay, denim heads, welcome back. Today we have something exciting. The Brave Star mystery pick just arrived in my mailbox. This is a birthday present from my wife because she is super rad. So yeah, let's take a look at what we have in here. And I'm not gonna be showing my face today because I really need a haircut. All right, and you guys don't need to see that. So again, Brave Star, typical packaging that I really like. Ian, stay raw. I always like that part. That's, I'm into that. The personalization. So let's take this out. And first off, let's see what we got. All right, so we have blue denim. All right, it's blue or black. So I got blue. They picked that for me. And then we have the Slim Taper 13.5 ounce Cone Mills Selvedge denim. Awesome. Now I ordered these with a hem. So let's see how they look just on an unboxing. They don't look to be hemmed. All right, but let's take a look at the denim first. And, we can talk about that hem in a minute. I want to see what I got. All right, so compared to the other pairs of Brave Star I have, these, I really like these. They have a real nice blue color here. I think these will fade really nicely. All right, let's take a look. I got these in size 30, made in USA tag. I mean, I gotta give them credit, guys. The stitching is always nice on Brave Stars. All right, we got some real nice. I'm pretty impressed, okay? I'm pretty impressed with the quality. And for $68, I mean, this is just a steal. All right, so let's look here. My favorite, you've seen in all my videos, is the patch. I love breaking these in, all right? Nice and white, raw leather. I mean, just really nice craftsmanship on these. All right. Yeah, all right, let's take a look. Okay, so let me just hang these up over the railing. I mean, yeah, guys, overall, for $68, I feel that these are a really good deal. So what I'm gonna do now is just try these on and see if they were hemmed or not, and I will report back. All right, as they say in boxing, the tail of the tape. So what I did here, I have a piece of yarn. It's just running, and my tape measure's broke, but yeah, I run it from the top of the inseam all the way down the pants, hit it with the tape measure. This, 36 inches, all right, guys? So these jeans were not hemmed. So what we're gonna do about this is I'm gonna contact Brave Star, and I'm just gonna ask what's going on, because this is the second time that they have not hemmed my jeans, actually the second order in a row. I'm kind of disappointed because I've really backed Brave Star. I've told a lot of people in these videos how awesome they are. I really supported them, but who knows what's going on? Maybe they got too big, I don't know. But I'm really frustrated because I had emailed a representative there, and that person had guaranteed to me that these jeans would be hemmed. And I get an unhemmed pair of jeans again. So I really can't review these overall and like how they fit or how they look, because like I said, they're not hemmed. I'll be sending these back. And I really am going to be considering where I buy denim from in the future. I think I might just spend a few extra dollars on some of the more high-end stuff that I know they'll follow through on their orders. I mean, unless Brave Star does something pretty miraculous to make this right for me, I think I'm good. I'll spend the money elsewhere. I will come back and post a review when they do hem these for me, because everyone's looking forward to that. So yeah, stick around, and whenever this gets fixed, I'll be back.